uNkulunkulu okuwena ngeke akutshena amanga. Ukuze mekuthiwa igazi liyakhuluma. Yabo mosondele eduze komuntu ekugodlela inzondo. You can literally feel that ukuthi lo muntu lo ukugodlela inzondo. Uma umuntu ekuthanda so genuinely noma umona kangakanani, you will always feel ukuthi lo muntu lo ukuxolele futhi usakuthanda because of the energy in that person. Ngizama ukukutshela ukuthi never underestimate uNkulunkulu ophila phakathi kuwena. Uyena okholayo. Izinto akutshena zona yizona ayibonayo yena. Wena ubuka in the physical form, yena ubuka both in the physical and in the spiritual. But kwi-angle yakhe he sees everything because he is God. Uma ekutshena something, it is very much important ukuthi wena pay attention to the things that God tells you because you suffer great consequences uma ngabe ungamlaleli umoya engcwele. Abo uma ngasekutshena iqiniso, futhi ngabe khona abantu abakude nempilo. They didn't pay attention to the voice of God within them. They went around asking people ukuthi what should they do instead of trusting God again. Sometimes you don't have to look for answers elsewhere. They are in you. Pray that God reveals the things you are lacking. Yazi, if I were to show you ukuthi where I was before and where I am now, but the people who used to know me would tell you ukuthi I was not this person. Yazi ngashintshan, I started believing the voice that lives in me, and then to look for answers or trusting what people say, because there is a time where people will not be there and you will be left with yourself. So I'm saying there is a reason why you should listen to God, because he is in you. When you sleep, you dream. He shows you visions. It tells you a lot of things. So pay attention to those things so that you would go far. Start paying attention to those things. I'm not saying trust in yourself. Trust God. But do listen to him because he also speaks to you.